Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how we can easily download and install Trelby on Windows. So Trelby is a free and open source screenwriting program. Let's go to the web browser. We are using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type Trelby and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, trelby.org. Click on it. Herein you can read about it and you need to download it. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll click on download here. Now the download for Windows and Linux is visible. I'll go for the Windows version, click on it. It's only 9 MB. Download started, let's wait. Double click on it to install. Minimize. Now you can see the setup started. Click on next. It will get installed under the following program files. A new folder will get created. You can change the location from browse. It would only take 20 MB. Click on install. The installation started now and completed very quickly. I'll click on finish. It created a desktop shortcut here. You can also go to start and type Trelby to open it. Let's open it through this. Click on open. Now it started. Here it is. Okay. You can see we downloaded a Trelby version 2.2. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install the Trelby on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.